Inviting, comfortable. The Capital Multimedia Collection by Seatcraft. Choose from the fully featured multimedia sofa or the matching love seat. Together, their stylish exteriors are the perfect accent for any home. The motorized Comfort View powered headrest adjusts to your viewing preference, making this seat ideal for watching your favorite movie or show. Included USB charging ports allow you to charge your favorite devices while you relax. The multimedia sofa includes a middle seat that opens to reveal a fold-down table for added utility. Overhead lights underneath the headrest add extra illumination. Adjust between 3 levels of brightness with the push of a button. The pop-up plate just above the table comes equipped with a 110-volt outlet and 2 USB ports to power even more devices. The wireless charging pad offers a more convenient charging solution for your modern devices. When the charging circle turns from blue to green, you can rest easy knowing your phone is safely charging. Cup holders and table space make this chair especially versatile. The Love Seat offers a cozier seating experience. The spacious middle console offers expanded storage. When it's time to get up, simply hold the home button to bring the Comfort View powered headrest and powered recline back to their upright positions. A modern design that doesn't sacrifice comfort. The Capital Multimedia Collection from Seatcraft.